Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. You guys just may have saw the time lapse that I just did with these 6 RX 570s. I reflashed them back to stock using Hive OS, because using Hive OS to flash them for BIOS modding or BIOS back to stock is really handy. So you guys may have saw that. That was pretty fun to do. And as well as I took out the heat sinks of all the GPUs just to replace the thermal paste on all of them using Arctic Silver 5. I really love this stuff. It works really well. And you guys just may have saw the temperatures. I did do a 10-minute burn-in test, and actually the temperatures on all the cards are way better now. I was thinking of, should I keep these cards now? But I'm thinking, just because of Ethereum and the DAG and the next year, Proof of Stake or whatever, and Ethereum Classic, all that other stuff, I'm thinking of I'm going to get rid of these, I'm going to sell them, and I'm going to buy new cards. Now, I don't know which new cards I'm going to get. Maybe NVIDIA cards, or used 1070 or 1070 Ti's, or maybe RX 580 8GB cards, or the 570 8GB cards. Because, as you guys know, these ones right here are the 4GB cards. So I just want to get rid of the 4GB cards. But yeah, you guys can see I have a RX 570 here, the Asus Strix version, that has a broken fan fin on it. So I don't know how that happened. I don't think it happened in my grow tent. I couldn't find any fin in there or any fin in the bathtub where I had this rig before. So that is really strange. So I need to find a new fan replacement for this. If you guys have anywhere online where I could order this or purchase it, let me know. I couldn't find anything on Amazon or AliExpress or Alibaba or anything like that, but if you guys have any sources for Asus Strix RX 570 fans, let me know. I would love to get one to fix this. But otherwise, I think I'm just going to keep this for now, using it in a gaming rig or simple testing mining stuff. Ready to go. These are 5 RX 570s I'm ready to sell locally. In case some of you guys were wondering, I'm not going to be selling this internationally or anything, because I think the last video, a lot of comments, you guys are asking if you wanted, if I could sell this to you guys. But yeah, I'm not going to be shipping these out anywhere. I'm just going to be selling these local. But yeah, that was fun to do. And as well as, what else? I'm just going to do an update video for you guys. I have really not much to do in this place. I might be moving, potentially, in the next month or so. So, rest in peace, this grow tent and all the work I've done here. It's sad to see if I have to take this down, but I'm not set in stone yet if I'm moving in the next month or so. I'm still planning that out. I have to figure out the logistics. Anyways, and you guys are probably wondering, maybe on this frame here, what cards am I going to put on this rig? So I'm probably going to source out some used cards, or maybe some cards on nerdgears.com. So there's always good deals on there. I gotta talk with Derpercarp and see if he can give me some good deals on GPUs, and I can fill this rig up with 6 GPUs. So yeah, that'll be really cool. And you guys also may be wondering, where are my 12 GPUs for my grow tent project here? They are still coming. They are stuck in Canadian Customs right now. I don't know why. So I'm going to give them a call and figure out why they're stuck there. I have 12 GPUs, which I've ordered from NerdGears, of course, and they're stuck there. They've been stuck there for the past week and a half to 2 weeks now. So I don't know what it is. It's not on NerdGears. It's on the Canadian Customs, that all the products, all the stuff that has to go through Canadian Customs. So they have to do a check and all that kind of stuff. So sad for me. I am going to figure that out soon. Hopefully they send that to me. But otherwise, I have everything off right now in this grow tent, because I'm just waiting for the 12 GPUs. And yeah, and also I don't have this 8-inch inline fan on at the moment, because it's just, it's super loud. You guys will be able to hear it in the video. But anyways, that's just a little update for you guys, what I'm doing here. Selling these 6 RX 570s, or wait, 5 RX 570s. And I'm sad to see these cards go. I've had these for about 2 years now, two and a half years now actually, and they've definitely mined their worth in Ethereum. And yeah, definitely paid off already. So I'm hoping to get some money out of these in Canadian, and hopefully I can then purchase some new cards for that rig right there. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Which cards should I fill out on this rig here? Obviously, I'm not going to get AMD like 4GB cards. So let me know if you want me to get NVIDIA cards or 8GB AMD cards or something funky on this rig. I would love for you guys to let me know. I want to do something cool. So yeah, anyways, that's the end of this little vlog here, little update for you guys. Let me know what you think. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and don't forget to smash that like button and all that good stuff. See you guys later. Peace out.